Hello everyone! 안녕하세요. This is Tita Maika, aka Maika Unni, back for another album unboxing of K-pop. Well, this time it's a Japanese version of Twice albums. Twice album of Perfect World and BDZ Repackage. This was recently released back in July 28th, and I ordered this too from Amazon. Not Amazon, eBay. Yes, eBay. And came directly from Japan. And when I was ordering this, I really wanted to order this way back then, but I really can't find a good seller. But when I was looking through eBay, I found a good one, and yeah, I found this too. As you all know or might not know, I am collecting Twice albums, mini albums. I am almost complete with the Korean albums of Twice, and the only thing that I don't have is the Year of Yes album, and now I'm trying to start with my Japanese album. Anyway, let's get started. I want to go with the BDZ Repackage and do this last because this is the recent album. Alright, let's get started. Hopefully I don't need the scissors. Oh, I don't need it. So, background for the BDZ Repackage. BDZ Repackage is a repackage of Twice first Japanese full-length album, BDZ. It was released on December 26, 2018 with Stay By My Side serving as the album title track. Okay, alright. So this is the album. It looks so pretty. Fresh from Japan. So the tracks are Stay By My Side, BDZ, One More Time, Candy Pop, LOVE, Wishing, Say It Again, Wake Me Up, Brand New Girl, BS1, and I Want You Back. And for the DVD, this comes with a DVD. Stay By My Side, Making Music Video, a Jacket Shooting, Making Movie, and Making Movie of Twice Showcase Live Tour 2018 Candy Pop. Alright. The reason why I've been wanting to buy this album is because of the track list. Most of the songs, I love them. Like Wishing is really good. Say It Again, BS1 of course is one of my favorites as well. BDZ, I love the beat of that song, so this is definitely like one of the Japanese albums that you do want to buy if you're a Twice, if you're a Once and you're collecting Twice albums. So I love them. I love this girls. So go ahead and open it. Alright. Love the album. The packaging is good. Put this away. So that's the inside. I love the box as well. See that? It's the kind that you really want to buy because it's protected. So in here, just sleeve. Like that. and the gray one is the CD, and then the white one is the DVD. So I like Japanese album because it comes with they come with a DVD option. Alright, that's it. Really nice packaging. And then this one, I'll put this away. Oh, this is the photo book. Before we head there, let's open or show. I'm gonna show you guys the photo cards. By the way, I'm collecting photo cards as well. It doesn't matter if it's the pre-order one, which I love because everyone's in there. I don't want to remove this. See if it'll come off. You know what's stuck, so let's go ahead and just remove that. Okay. All right, let's start with 9 as always. Sorry. Yes, there you go. She's so cute here. She's still looking young. Chubby cheeks. Love the dress. Love that smile. Next is Jonghyun. Jonghyun. She looks beautiful here. Well, she is beautiful, of course. Look at that hair. Love that. And the top too. Next, Momo. Yes, love Momo. Love her bangs. It suits her very, very well. Sana. It's beautiful. Jihyo. Oh, love her hair here. It's kind of lavender color. It is. Yep. Nina. Oh, sorry about that. Kim fell off. Nina, look at that. She's so pretty. On their concert in Japan, just a story, side story. She was wearing an earring, since like a ribbon earring. I saw it and I was like, I want that earrings. And it happened to be like I was in Swarovski website, and I found it there and was on sale, and I bought it. It's pretty. Dahyun. This Korean girl, she's so pretty. Jaeyoung. Those nails are cute. And Chewy. Oh, she's not smiling. Beautiful. Alright. Next is the photo book. This is the front and this is the back. Oh, by the way, the back of the photo cards are the same. They're like this. Alright, let's move on. First page. which of course I don't understand, or I won't be able to read because it's in Japanese. BDZ, one more time, Candy Pop, LOVE, Wishing, say it again, Wake Me Up, Friendly Girl, Yes One, I Want You Back. And this is the only one that's in English, I Want You Back, which is a song of Jackson 5, I believe. Good night, ladies. And their thank you notes in Japanese. That's it. That's the BDZ album.